AI avatars fail when people upload bad photos. In this video, you will learn how to create unique, high-quality AI avatars using Lensa and why preparation matters more than filters. Now, prepare your photos. Best photos are clear lighting, neutral expressions, different angles, minimal filters. Example, upload 10 to 15 photos, indoor plus outdoor photos, casual plus professional photos. This improves avatar accuracy massively. Now what you're gonna do, just go ahead to the magic avatars here at the bottom middle and choose the gender. Okay, I'm a male, so I'm gonna choose a male. Right? Let's say I'm choosing this style. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue with this style. Right? And hit the check mark to confirm that you are in the legal age. Right? And hit continue. Now what you're gonna do, just go ahead and upload your photos. Let me select a photo. So this one. Right? And now what you're gonna do, just hit start generating 4 avatars. Up to 4 avatars here. So hit start generating. Sometimes it can hide behind a paywall, just like this one, right? So I won't be able to access this feature, but in your case, let me try the 7-day free trial here. But in your case, if you don't have a free trial, just go ahead and subscribe to Lensa AI. I'm gonna give you a little glimpse. Right? Then you're gonna be able to decide for yourself if you want to use Lensa AI and actually invest in it. So now I am starting to generate photo. Right? So I'm gonna wait for a few moments here. Right? And you can notify me when I'm ready. There you go. Right? This is the final outcome here. Right? Great avatars come from good input, not luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.